Hi everyone, this is Katie with Hillsborough County Communications and Digital Media, here to give you a quick recap of what happened during the Board of County Commissioners' special meeting to address emergency management related to COVID-19 and the state of local emergency on September 17th. Hillsborough County will close some of its COVID-19 public testing sites as demand continues to decline. The Town and Country site at Tampa Family Health Centers has closed for general public testing effective immediately. People who had previously scheduled appointments for this site may go to any of the county's other public testing locations at their convenience without an appointment. For information on locations and operating days and hours, call 888-513-6321. Two other locations will also close. Sun City Center at Redemere Lutheran Church, last day of public testing will be Wednesday, September 23rd, and South Shore at South Shore Community Resource Center. Last day of testing there will be Saturday, September 26th. Public use of the county's testing sites has notably decreased during the past few weeks, many days hovering at less than 20% of total capacity. Although some sites are closing, the county will work with community partners to finalize a plan to provide testing to specific vulnerable populations. In other action during today's meeting, commissioners heard from Dr. Holt, director of the Florida Department of Health in Hillsborough County, that while Hillsborough is not considered a COVID-19 hotspot at the moment, the average number of new cases per day and positivity rates remain fairly consistent at a level that still indicates sustained community transmission of the virus. Commissioners heard that the number of cases among local college-age adults is rising, and they extended the state of local emergency. A state of local emergency can be in effect for only 7 days unless extended. The declaration gives the county administrator and emergency managers the ability to quickly take certain actions to ensure the health, safety, and welfare of the community and provides a path for federal reimbursement of certain expenses. The state of local emergency also incorporates an executive order mandating face coverings be worn in indoor locations of businesses with certain exceptions. The next BOCC special meeting will be on Thursday, September 24th at 1:30 p.m. You can watch that meeting live on YouTube or on Facebook. Just search for Hillsborough FL. And we encourage you to visit hcflgov.net/staysafe for up-to-date information.